Today we're going to be talking about Cardano and why it could be going higher soon. Let's get into the video. Hi everyone, my name is Zach and welcome back to Finance Bro. Before we get into the video, I'd like to ask you guys to please comment your favorite cryptocurrency at the moment. Why it's your favorite cryptocurrency at the moment? And then also consider leaving a like and subscribe as it really helps with the growth of the channel. And I know this is a crypto video, but I'd like to take this time to promote Public, which is a social investing app for stocks. So if you guys are interested in investing in stocks and you want a free stock that could be worth up to $70, then go ahead and get your free stock down below by just depositing $1 on the app. You'll get that up to $70 stock. First link in the description. With all that out of the way, let's get straight into our crypto for today, which is going to be Cardano. And real quick, this is actually what Public looks like. You can see that we have 17 followers. We're trying to get our followers up, so if you guys want to actually help us out with that, that'd be awesome. We actually did just make a post on how to create a portfolio from scratch. It's a little thing, so if you guys want to see that, go ahead and first link in the description. Okay, but crypto actually had a pretty bad day today. Obviously just pulling back because we've been on an absolute tear, an absolute rip recently. You can see that Cardano actually has pulled back behind Binance Coin. Cardano was up to a $70 billion market cap, obviously pulling back about $6 billion in the past day or so, down 6%, but obviously we couldn't just keep going straight up. That's just not how crypto or the stock market works. So obviously down 6%, and Bitcoin and Ethereum both down 5 and 2% as well. But now we can get into our article for today, talking about why Cardano is up 60% on the month. So this is by Emma Newberry. It was actually made today, this article, so let's get straight into it. So crypto investors are excited about Cardano's smart contract launch. Obviously we talked about this smart contract launch in our video the other day. You guys can watch that video right now if you guys are interested, but let's talk about some different stuff going on with Cardano. So the price has jumped 60% since the start of August after the team set a date for its smart contract launch. So we talked about how we could be running all the way up to that launch date. Who knows how far we're going to go. We're going to be going over some technical analysis at the end of the video, so stick around for that if you guys are interested. Cardano is a popular cryptocurrency that was launched in 2015 by Charles Hoskinson, who also co-founded Ethereum. So obviously, he co-founded Ethereum. They're trying to act a lot like Ethereum and compete with them at this point, so it kind of makes a lot of sense. The team designed a new blockchain from scratch, aiming to solve some scalability and sustainability problems faced by crypto giants Bitcoin and Ethereum. So obviously, we have been talking about ADA for a while. This thing is very environmentally conscious and it's fast. It's not as fast as XRP per se, but it is better than Bitcoin and Ethereum. Cardano's approach differs from many digital currencies on the market. It prioritizes thorough research. Its team peer reviews and stress tests everything before implementation. That means the final product is most likely to be more robust and work more smoothly. However, it also means it's taken until this year to introduce smart contract functionality. So basically what this means is that they were trying to make sure everything works perfectly, works smoothly before they integrate this into their blockchain. Well, it's finally at that point, and they have set a fixed date on September 12th. So that's why obviously Cardano has been absolutely tearing recently. We've talked about all this already, but let's talk about some other stuff. Let's talk about why smart contracts matter. They're tiny pieces of code that sit on the blockchain and enable it to run dApps. So this is something that Ethereum has done well, and that's why Ethereum is doing so exceptionally well, is that they basically everything, pretty much a lot of coins on the market are run off of Ethereum's blockchain and their dApps. So that's how people make all these decentralized apps. Smart contracts can transform static blockchain database that records information into something programmable. So obviously Ethereum already has about 3,000 dApps running on its network. However, until Ethereum can fully upgrade to ETH2, which won't happen until 2022, it struggles with network congestion and high fees. So that's what Cardano is trying to capitalize on. Obviously, it has its struggles, and Ethereum is going to be, it's going to be upgrading itself, but they're not doing that till 2022. So Cardano is going to capitalize and try to make a name for itself starting in September 2021. So Cardano argues that its research-driven approach means its smart contracts will be more secure than its competitors. What's special about its coding language is that non-developers can understand it. I mean, this is obviously written by someone who really likes Cardano, so let's keep that in mind. Meaning stakeholders can clearly understand what they're agreeing to. So obviously, we're going to talk about our own technical analysis, so we don't have to talk about all this. But basically, it's saying that Cardano is easy to use and it works extremely well, better than Ethereum at this moment. Now let's talk about whether or not Cardano can overtake Ethereum. So Cardano is actually about a fifth of Ethereum's market cap right now, and for good reason. Obviously, Ethereum already has all of these relationships with different people running dApps. Obviously, they have 3,000 dApps. But let's talk about this. So Cardano has built plenty of real-world partnerships, especially in developing countries. Cardano is an environmentally friendly cryptocurrency, and Cardano is designed to talk to other blockchains. So basically, Cardano is kind of appealing to everyone. A lot of people have a lot of, hesitancy to get into the crypto game because of the environmental factor. So Cardano is trying to make sure that they are addressing that, and then also Cardano can talk to other blockchains. So all of this is designed in order to compete with Ethereum and be better than Ethereum. And once this September 12 smart contracts comes underway, they probably will have a better platform than Ethereum for the moment until ETH2 comes out, and who knows which one will be better at that point. But yeah, now we can go over a little bit of some technical analysis and things of that nature. So obviously Cardano has been put on a lot more watch lists recently. They have moved to rank 4 behind Binance Coin now. Obviously their market cap taken a bit of a hit over the past day or two. Obviously we're kind of having a fall from heaven right now. I mean, if you look at the last day, or the last 7 days, it's still on an upward trend. But I'm really looking at this resistance level at the $1.70 area. I would like to see Cardano, in order for me to make another entrance, drop down to about $1.70 before I get back into it. Just currently, I think we could be seeing that big of a drop, sadly. So I believe that'd be about a 10% drop. Over the past day, obviously not doing too well. But yeah, at $1.70, I think we do have a bit of a good support line there that I'd be interested in getting back in at that point. But yeah, as far as historical data is concerned, you can see here the volume isn't as much as the past couple of days where they're doing about $8 billion every day. It's kind of fallen back, and there's been a bit more selling pressure than buying pressure at this point. So obviously we're pulling back from that $2.25 high that we had. But overall, Cardano is looking very good, and we're still doing $4 to $5 billion every day. But yeah, that is pretty much going to be it for today's video on Cardano. Did I miss anything, or do you have any questions about Cardano? Go ahead and leave them in the comment section below. I'll try to get to as many of those as I can. But yeah, it's pretty much going to be it. Make sure you guys leave a like and subscribe if you found any value in this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. My name is Zach, and I hope to see you in the next video.